Hello and welcome to my second video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate energy bar. And this was the first time I'm trying this recipe, and yeah, I kind of goofed up on the moisture, but I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So as usual, the recipe is at below, so go. So you need to know what to buy, and yeah, it's all there. So see here, the first thing you do is you start off with pitting your dates, which means not pitted, and then when it's all done, you chop it up to nice little small pieces. This will help really help with the blending process. So that's it. Yeah, let me just go choppity chop. All right, be right back. Alright, so now that we have finally have our dates nicely chopped up, time to move to the blender. So in goes the cashew nuts and the almonds, and very important, the start of the show, the dates. So the dates will give it a nice body, both in terms of the texture and the nutrition value of things. So here we are going to add the cocoa. So yeah, get myself my trusty cup, measure it out, and all right, getting there, and oh, okay, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. That looks good. Right. And in we go. Alright. And we're gonna add in the coconut, the peeled coconut. And 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So okay, yeah, tap that, uncap that. One tablespoon of coconut oil. Knock. Alright. And we are ready to start blending. Oh, sorry, maple syrup. Don't forget about that. We need a little maple syrup with our candy, and we are pretty much almost good to go. Be right back. Okay, so forgot about vanilla extract, put that in. And for the final little touch would be just a little bit, about a tablespoon of coffee. You can use water with this as well. So yeah, this will allow it to blend that much easier. So just give the blender a go, and make sure that you get to at least a certain kind of paste to it. So I took out the blender, and as you can see, it's nice and gooey. So let me dig it out for you. There you go. This, on the other hand, might be a little bit too wet, so I actually added more coffee to it than I probably should have, so that did not help. Alright, so once you're done, just get a pan of some sort with with plastic wrap, and you want to just put that in, put a mixture right into the plastic wrap. So eventually you'd want to get to the point where it fills up a square. Then you kind of just wrap it up. So let me just skip to the relevant point. Okay, so we have filled up the shrink wrap, and now we're gonna proceed to wrap it. So just fold it in, left, right, and put on another layer on top like so. And yeah, that's basically it. Now let me get a pair of scissors and start cutting it up. So just slice off all the little extras. Don't worry if it's not a perfect fit, not a big deal, because all these excess can always be used to seal it off further. So what you want to do is to get into a roughly square shape, so you can just press it down a little bit gently. Please be gentle, and get it to a nice rectangle slash square slash four-sided shape. And once you've got that down, it will be ready for you to put into the fridge. So that's it. Be right back. Alright, so finished product. Wrap one up right now. So first of all, you cut up the bar that you made into bar chunks, and you grab out some shrink wrap. So we've got our shrink wrap right here, and all we need to do is to get out some, like so, and then we proceed to add some of our energy bar paste. Okay, so we add a chocolate at the bottom, and then we proceed to wrap it up, and eventually we want to cut it up. So but I decided to be smart about this, and smart alecky about this, and add chocolate behind. Take out my scissors and then cut, and voila, one nicely wrapped energy bar. So that's it. Just tie out the sides and you're good to go. So that's all there is to it. So you just repeat. I recommend doing this one by one, adding it two at a time. Actually turned out to be rather counterproductive, so this will be there you go. Get it up, cut it up, and wrap, and for this one, so tie it up behind like so into a ribbon to make it a little fancy, and that's it. Rinse and repeat the entire process. So if you like this video, guys, please comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Blessings to all. Bye.